Hello YouTube, Garbage Can here, and today we're going to be rooting the HTC Droid Eris by Verizon. Now this is a Windows only tutorial, so if you're running Linux or Mac, please check the description section below. I posted some links there for you. Alright, the first thing I want you to do is go to Menu on your phone, then hit Settings, then scroll down to Applications, Development, and then check off USB debugging. And that's going to allow your computer to be able to detect your phone. Alright, that's pretty much it for now, so I'll see you on the other side.
Alright everybody, we're going to now get the SDK file for Windows from the Android developers website. We're going to click that right there. It's going to download directly to our hard drive, but first I'm going to go to show all downloads because I've already have it downloaded. Alright, now what you're going to do is just click extract to and extract it to computer, and then local disk, just click it right there. Just make sure it's C and nothing else, okay? Now you're going to hit OK, and it's going to extract right there. You can get rid of that now. Alright, now, the next thing, we're going to go to the next one that we put you on, the hackv4.zip file. That's very important for us. Alright, now I just go to show all downloads again because I've already downloaded it. Alright, hackv4.zip. Now, all you have to do is just copy all this, right-click it, and extract to the specified folder. And this time we're going to go into the local disk, and where we put the Android SDK Windows, we're going to go right here to Tools and hit OK. Alright, now that we have all that set up, now all we have to do is go into Computer and Local Disk, and under Android SDK Windows, we're going to open that up again, and this time we're just going to go right here into SDK Setup. Alright, now, all this stuff right here is called packages. What we want to get is just the USB driver package. That's all we need. You can uncheck everything else because we do not need it. So just uncheck everything else and just make sure you get the USB driver package. Alright, now that we're just getting the USB driver package, you can hit install and it'll download it. Alright, now it's done installing. You can close that now. And now, when you plug in your phone to the computer, it's going to detect it, and you have to make sure you put your phone on that USB debugging like I told you earlier. Go into your Tools folder, and Shift right-click it right in there in some empty space, and open Command Window here. And to make sure this is working, all you have to do is just type in ADB devices. Well, you got to put a space in between that. And ADB server is out of date, killing. Alright, now that's normal, it doesn't mean anything. Alright, now it's going to say your device right there. It's going to say whatever it is and then device. Alright, now we're going to come back to that later. You can just minimize that for right now. And the next thing we have to do, which is probably the last thing, for right now we're going to get the Evil Eris 4.0 ROM for this tutorial. Okay, this is a very good ROM. You're just going to want to read what's on this page. So you're going to go to Evil Eris 4.0 download here. It's going to bring you to multi-upload. I've already got that downloaded too, so I can just minimize my web browser, and it's right there. Now what you want to do is just copy it, and the next thing you're going to do is mount your device. Mount your Droid Eris, and it'll connect. Alright, now it's going to come up with this, removable disk, open folder to view files. I'm just going to move this out the way. Okay, now right click on that, click copy, and you're going to see inside of here, right there, I've already got it in here, and you're going to just paste it right into there. Alright, make sure you leave it as a zip folder, okay, because if you extract it, it's not going to run, okay, it's not going to get detected by the recovery application on your phone. Okay, so now we're done with that. You can dismount your phone, and the next thing you have to do is go back into that command prompt and type in run in DOS. It's very simple, and it'll send messages to your phone. It'll make your phone restart itself. You read that. Your phone will now reboot into normal mode, then reboot into recovery mode. Alright, so once you see that happening, you're going to look at your phone and it's going to reboot itself, and it's going to go right into recovery.
Alright everybody, this is what your phone's supposed to look like after it reboots. Now this is called recovery, and this is going to be on your phone forever. Alright, this was what you installed onto your phone from your computer. Now you're going to scroll down to backup/restore, you're going to do a NAND backup, okay? And this is always recommended because it backs up all the data that's on your phone to your SD card, so there's hardly any chance that you can brick your phone. Now, this is going to create an Android backup. You want to press trackball to confirm, and you press the trackball, but I've already done it, so I'm going to go back. Now, next thing you want to do is after you create that backup, is you want to wipe. I want to let you know it's going to wipe everything from your phone, from contacts to everything. So if you have your contacts already backed up in Google, then you'll be straight with contacts. And if you've already got your market set up, you can just re-download your apps from the market. But everything that's on your SD card, like music and photos, will not be deleted. So you can rest assured with that. Now, when you do wipe, you're just going to hit wipe, and then you're going to do wipe data/factory reset. Now that's going to wipe all the data, and I don't need to do that right now. So you just hit the trackball and it'll wipe it. Now the last thing you do is go to flash zip from SD card. Cyanogen, Evil Eris 4.0 and 3.0. Now you can always flash the different ROMs at any given time, and I'll have more tutorials like that for flashing different ROMs later. But for now, we're going to do Evil Eris 4.0. You're going to select that, and it's going to install that ROM when you press a trackball. Once it's done, it's going to ask you to reboot system, and you're going to just click reboot, and your phone will reboot. So that's pretty much it. You're now rooted, and you now have Android with custom ROM and everything. So just look at some other tutorials of mine to find out what you can do once you're rooted. Thanks for watching.